Hello, welcome to Marisa's channel. Today, I'm going to marinate the breast chicken. Here are all the ingredients. Here, there's 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. This one. 3 tablespoons of mustard, yellow mustard. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 tablespoons of complete seasoning. 1 teaspoon of cumin. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. Sprinkle kosher salt. And I'm going to add olive oil. It says salad or marinade. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This one, it would really juicy the chicken. So I always add this olive oil and Worcestershire sauce, and the mustard is make your chicken juicy. And there's this one, I'm going to add 1 pack of chicken powder. So this one is 9.5 grams. Now we'll mix up together. If you cook like chicken, you know, always marinate your chicken before you cook. That's flavor, it's very different. Like leave it there for 2-3 hours. Even overnight, it's better. You can add all the spice you want, but I'm just going to share to you how I marinate my chicken. One is everything, you know, it's complete, all the spices. So this is really good. You can buy it in a store, especially in the international store. So now we have to put it in the bag. Here, I got bags here. So now here we can tie and put it in the fridge for 2 to 4 hours before we welcome back. We marinated earlier, so I'm going to put butter. Have the chicken that we marinated earlier. I just take it out from the fridge.